This is for 93 people who are on my friends list, or you may be following me. Comment if this is for you. When you close the chapter and lock a door on someone who has not been very respectful and kind to you, keep that door closed. Don't allow your kind-heartedness to put you back in the exact same situation that you just came out of, because your kindness can kill too. Ignore, avoid, ban, and block any negative person who is trying to re-enter your life by telling you they're sorry. They're not sorry. They just miss you. Comment if this is for you. Love you.